And a Jamaican overseas is urging locals to verify the information written on their vaccination card before leaving the center. She has fallen victim to a major error which has caused her to limit her movement until it's addressed. More in this report.
Camille Morgan, a Jamaican living in the Netherlands, got the shock of her life when she was denied a digital code because the information on her vaccination card was incorrect. The code allows her access, while in the country, to certain indoor spaces. It's one of the measures in the Netherlands to contain the spread of COVID-19.
When they evaluated that, they said, well, this doesn't indicate to us that you've received a vaccine that's approved, right? Because nothing on there says, first of all, nothing on my vaccine certificate at all says that I've gotten the AstraZeneca vaccine. And then with respect to my second dose, it says that the manufacturer is COVAX Sweden, when that is in fact not a manufacturer of a vaccine. So essentially, the documentation I produced wasn't sufficient for me to get a QR code.
The woman revealed that she was vaccinated at the Manchester High School in Jamaica. However, she didn't closely evaluate her card. She now wonders about other Jamaicans who may be in a similar position. TVJ News contacted the Health Ministry about the mishap. We were directed to the Regional Health Authority in the parish where the vaccine was administered. We were, however, unsuccessful in our attempt for a response. The latest incident raises fresh questions about whether Jamaica's vaccination program can stand up to scrutiny in other countries. The government has been adamant that the program is solid.
We do have a database of all persons who have been vaccinated legitimately, and as a consequence can validate or verify or cross-check to see if someone with a card is in fact vaccinated.
In the meantime, as Ms. Morgan awaits a resolve, she's urging Jamaicans to check their vaccination cards.
It's just one of those things that you don't even think about checking in the moment. You know, you're just like, these people know what they're doing, and you're just so happy to get vaccinated that you just take your card and go home. You know, so like I checked my name for sure. But that's about it, you know. I never really look at the information that's there to make sure that everything is accurately reflected until I was required to do so.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.